Hi, this is Jackie from Project T Garage. Welcome to the channel. Our channel will be bringing you guys with some DIY videos, modifications to our Teslas, as well as discussions around EV in general. Let's see what we're going to do today. So we will be installing some goodies from Henshaw today. Just received it a couple of days ago. Just a belated Christmas gift, as per se. So this is the original Tesla unit, and this is a brake light as well as running indicator unit. They have two different versions of this one. The other one they call it fishbone, which I don't really like. It's more of a Lamborghini mimic if you look at it that way, but this one is plain looking. I hope it lights up good. And let's do the installation. So before we do anything, let's see what tools we would need today. So I have a torch, obviously, some zip tied pick tools to neither pick the reflector or also any interior trims. I got some interior trims removers in here because we need to take the interior trims off, maybe the tail lights, I don't know yet. A fish line, I'll show you why we need a fish line later on, and some gloves obviously to make sure you don't get your hands dirty. Alright, let's go into the installation. Okay, so what we have done now is just to test the kit first before we pull everything apart. So basically we need to pull out the boot line over here, and then you see that is, I just need to hold this. See, there's a plug in here which is going to a rear light, and the harnesses that provided by Henshaw is actually a splitter. So it just plug into the one side of the harness will plug into the tail light, and the original plug from the tail light will go into the harness, and then it connects to this splitter. So I think one is controlling the indicating signal, and the other one is controlling the brake light as well as lit up at night. So basically you just need to connect the yellow and blue plug to the yellow and blue plug, black and red plug to the black and red plug. So I have to do on the other side as well, so same things happen on the other side, and this is the other indicator. So let's put it this way, put it this way, and we will see if I can. Okay, so this one's supposed to be going like this. So as you can see, put the indicator on now, and let me see if the brake light works. Yep, it all works. So let's go on with the installation. Hi guys, so I have successfully installed one side already on the driver's side, just to test out what method is the best to show you guys. Now I found out a easier method than what Henshaw's installation videos do, because I think from the Henshaw video what they're trying to do is to run a wire through the rear water channel and go into the rear arch, and then fish line through the front. Now it's especially difficult for any long range or performance model, because we actually do have a subwoofer as well as a amplifier at the back just behind the tail light. So what I'm going to show you now will be an easier way that we remove the tail light, which is only 3 bolts, and then we'll fish line through a fish line to the rear reflector, and then we'll connect it that way. Let's do it. Okay, so to To start off with, what we needed to do is to unplug this. So obviously this is where we have just tested all the connectors. So this goes to the light. So basically you just need to pull it out. So I don't know if you guys can see, so pull it out from here. Once you pull it out from here, there's only one bolt, which is a 8mm bolt. A second bolt up here, another 8mm bolt, and then this hand locks. Then the tail light will come off. Let's do it now. Okay, so we put the wire through already. So the next is to get this installed. So basically really easy. Red to black, and then yellow blue to yellow blue. Now after doing this, what I would do as a precautionary is to find my electrical tape again. I'll just cover all these connectors and thin wires. Just to waterproof it a little bit and make sure they're okay. So okay. Okay, so we've plugged the reflector in and just tested it, make sure everything's okay. Now we just need to cover all the connections with, we just wrapped it with electrical tape. So make sure these two connectors are not wrapped together, otherwise it won't fit through the hole. So basically you just do it like this. Okay. And the final step is to ensure all the connection is right. Okay, so the two lights are all now done. What we need to do now is put everything back together. So need to push the bumper back together. The hole should light up straight away. And you need to find that 10mm bolt. Just need to pull this wire. I think I'd rather put it behind here. It'll be easier that way. And then we'll just get this done. Oh, not this one. Okay, bolt is done. So next up is the light. We put it through, make sure the two studs goes in. First one, second one is right here.
Thank you for watching. Hope you have enjoyed today's video. I will be doing a new Power Funk DIY video really soon, so stay tuned. Also, remember to subscribe our channel, give us a thumbs up if you like this video. And also, I have included a 25% off discount code in the description below. So remember to click the link to Hansol's website to use my discount code to get any product with 25% off, including the power reflector lights that we have installed today. I think that promotion is only for Christmas and New Year's, and after this period it will go back to 15% only, so grab the max discount when you can. Thank you again, and I will see you in the next video. Stay tuned.